Hello everyone. In the previous session, we have discussed about packaging, its definition, its types, functions, and levels of packaging. For example, what is packaging and its levels like primary, tertiary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary level, and its functions like protection, containment, convenience, and communication. Now, we are going to discuss about various environmental conditions which affects these packaging functions. Packaging environments. The package has to perform its function in three different environments. They are physical environment, ambient environment, human environment. Failure to consider all three environments during package development, it results in poorly designed packages, increased costs, consumer complaints, and even avoidance or rejection of the product by the consumer. First, we are going to discuss about physical environment. This is the environment in which physical damage can be caused to the product. It includes shocks from drops, falls and burns, and during transport, the damage is caused due to vibrations which is arised during while traveling through road, rail, sea, and air, and when during transportation or storage, the compression and crushing damage also happens, which is a physical, which also attribute to the physical environment, and storage like storage in warehouses, retail outlets, and home environment. Now we are going to discuss about ambient environment. Ambient environment is nothing but the environment which surrounds the package. Damage to the product can be caused as a result of gases like particularly O2 and CO2 gases, then water and water vapor, then damage caused due to light like UV radiation and temperature, and damage caused by microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, molds, yeasts, and viruses, and macroorganisms like rodents, insects, mites, and birds. These contaminants in the ambient environment, such as exhaust fumes which comes from automobiles and industries, and dust and dirt which comes from the farming land, it also find their way to the product unless the package it has an effective barrier. Now we are going to discuss about human environment. This is the environment in which the package interacts with the people, and designing packaging for the environment it requires knowledge. This knowledge can be attributed from variety or variable source of consumers' capabilities like their vision, their strength, weaknesses, knowledge, etc. In addition, the package should contain information required by law such as nutrition content, net weight, then allergens, etc. It should be simple to hold, open, and use. For example, it considers one of the use as convenience. Furthermore, the package it should contain only a portion size which is convenient for the intended users. For example, if the package contains a more amount of product, it causes deterioration in the before consumption. It may cause deterioration. So that's the reason why it should have only a proportionate size. Next, we are going to discuss about functions or environment grid. What is an environment grid? Environment grid, it is nothing but a two-way matrix or grid in which the functions of the packaging and the environment where the package has to perform, it is laid out in a 12 different columns or cells. For example, if you see the right side of the diagram, the four functions like containment, protection, convenience, and communications are present, and three different environments, physical, ambient, and human environments are present, and it is laid out in a 12-way in a two-way matrix or grid, and each and every cell it is classified or located in one or more of these 12 different environmental cells. It is a mathematical method, but it's a simple method also. It serves as a useful aid when evaluating existing packaging, and it also serves as the aid for new packaging also. Assessments. First, as an overall summary, first we have discussed about what are the packaging and its functions like containment, convenience, communication, and protection, and the levels of packaging like primary packaging, secondary packaging, tertiary, and quaternary packaging, and the factors affecting the functions of packaging like physical environment, ambient environment, and human environment. Then what is an environment grid? It is an environment grid like a 4 into 3 two-way matrix in which the four different functions and the three different environments are present, and the packaging has to perform in one of the 12 cells. Thank you.